turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake. Lift the lug off the grille and insert the key to open the bonnet. Open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Remove the protective plastic covers on the battery. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal with all the cars still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Using a small socket wrench and a 10mm socket, start by removing the negative terminal from the battery. Once removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections which could damage the electrical network of the vehicle. Repeat the operation on the positive terminal. To remove the battery, you must remove the electrical cables located on the plastic plate protecting the battery. Now remove it. Using a small socket wrench, an extender and a 10mm socket, start by removing the 2 lug nuts on the battery fastening bar. You can now remove the bar. Slide the battery towards you and remove it. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term. On the new battery, remove the protective covers. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Put the new battery in place. Then screw the battery fastening bar back on. Fixing it in place with a socket wrench. Put the protective plastic plate back in place and start screwing the positive terminal in. Finish by screwing the negative terminal in place. put the electric cables in their place. And finally, put the protected plastic covers on the battery. Operation completed.